ground mismo. Touchdown Baguio. First stop, Hatch Coffees. Hatchilin Diaz.
Before you go down, I'll give some reminders na lang po.
So we're here at Wagner Wagner, I don't know, 113 for a lovely dinner. Look at the ambiance. Ganda. Para kaming nasa greenhouse o kayong halaman. Okay.
Thanks are the bread juices.
Very good.
Tama-tama.
Thank you.
I think this is it.
May dessert tayo, tsaka mabigat din yung din.
Cheers. Wala kami book na Grab. So, we're walking. Where are we going, my love?
Burnham.
Burnham Park.
Note State Park.
Okay,
It's just
Burnham.
Burnham. Like P.T. Burnham.
P.T. Barnum.
P.T. Burnham Park.
Tatay na ako.
Sobrang uneven ang road.
I think pababa, pa left. Kasi pababa ng ano, lumig. Easy boy. Injured boy. Let's go. Day 2. Ang lamig. Anong degree ngayon? It's 18.
18 degrees. Tibay jacket.
Uy, Milo ka na. Magagalit ang PNC Coops.
Tibay ng champion.
Yan. Rebel Big House! So we're here sa Rebel Big House. We just got here. And we got 4 pastries and 2 coffees. Anong masasabi mo? Tatry na namin yung coffee. I got Bon Latte. And you got...
Always mocha.
Butas. Masarap.
Kala ko naman,
Pwede din. Beach. Day 4.
Going home.
Going home. Thanks.
Hindi naman kasi pwedeng biglain sa kotak ko. Tip pa lang to. Nasa 1% ka pa lang.
Pero okay na yan.
Dapat medyo masikip.
Kuha ko lang talaga rin size.
11 and a half. Oh.
Kasi doon may kompreso.
Oo, sir. Yan, sir. Ito
Ang bilis nga uminit.